Oh my G! Hindi na nagbubuhol-buhol ang hair ko kahit after maligo. Ang sarap isuklay sa hair. Isa sa hair problem ko talaga, lalo sa mga mommies na gaya ko, is hair fall, lalo na nung after akong manganak. And finally, nakabili na ako nitong wet brush. Medyo curious ako before, bakit ang mahal nitong wet brush? And yes, mahal siya, pero super worth it. You can tell the difference ng wet brush sa ordinary hair brushes na nabibili natin sa market. And yes, mahal, pero super worth it talaga kasi hindi ka talaga nito ipapahiya. Wet brush is specifically designed to minimize pain and protect hair against split ends and breakage. Yung bristle, very flexible, easily detangled my hair. Yung kahit basa ang hair mo, hindi magbubuhol-buhol and no breaking your hair. It has soft bristles that minimize tagging kaya less damage sa strands ng hair and promoting healthier hair. Ideal din for sensitive scalps, providing a soothing brushing experience. It works on all hair types at safe for wet and dry hair. Perfect din gamitin for kids.